began that day when we went to botanical gardens. We, meaning yours truly, and two of my friends. Whose idea was it to visit the abandoned station? Who persuaded the others to go? I always tell them that I don't remember. I always lie. It is a safe lie. Or there is no way to ascertain the truth. Both Vitaly and Eugene are dead now. The massive airlock doors shrugged and opened with a grinding sound, opening a road to hell for us and a road into the metro for the demons. But in fact it all started that day when Mother said we should take a walk in the botanical gardens and go there by metro. I remember how we took a short escalator to the surface, how we exited a spacious glass pavilion and saw a street buried in green. I remember the smoke clouds moving across the limitless sky, the soft, cool wind on my face. Mother bought me an ice cream. That was the last time I tasted it. That day humanity was executed. The righteous and the sinful were called to be rendered according to their deeds. And we hid from God's sight in the metro. And we were saved from his wrath. And he apparently decided that flushing us out wasn't worth the trouble. Then he went about his business, or perhaps died, while we stayed on this used up and discarded earth and continued just going with it, going nowhere. I remember so many random, unnecessary things, yet I don't remember the most important one. My mother's face. She died very soon after the war started. All that remains of her is that day in the gardens. How I wished I could recall her face. The way she looked at me. The way she whispered that I have nothing to fear. I'd sell my soul just to recall that. I'd do that any day, any time. And I did.
Ja, Metro, Last Light, fang gleich einmal sehr sentimental an.
Das ist so Tempo.
Okay, dann geht's los. Ziemlich cooles Intro.
Ja, Metro halt.
Cool.
Options, Vollgas. Normal oder? Ich meine, das ist dann schon zart.
Ja, normal.
Okay,
Ja.
ja, passt.
Ja, passt.
The Dark Ones came much later, from the garden's direction. The Dark Ones, huge, towering a full head over the highest man. Nightmarish creatures, creepy as a man turned inside out. Monsters born to destroy us. The word was they were incredibly strong and unnaturally evil. That with bare paws they could tear armed men apart. That's all lies. Truth is even scarier.
Der hat es ja schon am ersten Tag gegeben, gell?
Well, I used to live nearby. Before the war, I mean, up there. I was on the train when it happened. I tried calling my family, but couldn't get through. What the?
Boah.
What happened? Shit!
Achso, kostet schon. Okay.
What's going?
Holy shit, kriegt ihr da das aus?
Ich glaub nicht.
Ah! Oh shit. Oh. Ich verschieße gerade meine eigenen Leute.
Ja.
Oh shit.
Warum hast du das gemacht, Harry? Das war
Ja,
noch deine Freundin.
ich hab's in Wirklichkeit nicht mehr. Schöne lackierte Fingernägel hat er da.
Voll.
Artyom, wake up, Artyom. It's me, Khan. Nightmares, eh? No wonder, after all you've been through. Listen, I have incredible news. A couple of days ago, I was near the ruins of the Dark One's hive, and I saw one of them, still alive. I immediately set out to find you, as you were the one they tried to contact, before you launched the missile strike against them.
Khan, how the hell did you get here? Get out, now!
Yes, Ullman, one moment. If a Dark One has survived, it is vital that you try to speak with it, Artyom. I realize that, as one of the Order now, you report to Miller. But we must persuade him to allow this mission.
Khan, I told you to get out!
Khan.
This is a classic...
Khan!
I'll take you to Colonel Miller. Follow me, Arthur.
Get ready, Artyom. I'll be waiting at the exit.
Artyom.
Move it, you windbag.
So,
I knew a smoker once.
So,
Hey, das-
Gitarre spielen. Alter Schwede, was ist denn da gerade los?
Drink and breathe through a tunnel.
irgendwas passt da gerade
Nein,
nicht.
irgendwas passt zu hinten dran nicht. Da, steht hinter dir.
Passt, haut hin. Okay, so. Anscheinend kann man doch nicht auf super High Quality spielen. Furchtbar.
Mhm.
Ja, so ist es, was man da kann, oder? Und da kann man nichts mitnehmen.
Mhm.
Ja, das ist das Wichtigste.
We found this place a while ago, but they still can't get used to it. Strange place, this D6. Didn't know they ever built bunkers this large. The story is, construction started in Stalin's time and went on until the USSR.
Follow Khan!
It was inevitable, they said. And the people believed in a better
Habe ich unendlich viel.
Our leaders
Ja.
put their money on Armageddon. And did D6 save them?
Und wie werde ich das wieder los da?
Gar nicht auf M.
For 30 years until our guys
Na,
Ich glaube, lang drauf bleiben.
Everything inside was on
Ah ja,
Weapons,
das ist das
made
Beste. Servus.
like finding buried treasure, eh? I suppose
Der hat aber eine gescheite Musik-Collection.
Mhm.
the lights, the heat.
Das ist DJ.
Doesn't feel right. Like it's too
Also das ist aber ziemlich...
It's a gift from your ancestors. Enough to survive down here for decades. Maybe until the world up there will
leiser
take us
dran, da.
back.
Hey, wieder eine Knarren.
Привет, Artyom. Artyom was one of the men who found these seats.
Servus.
They gave him a ranger's badge on the spot.
It's
Ja,
nice for
ist von
him.
ihm.
Spent
2 years as a cadet before
Ich lese nur das vor.
Also,
Jawohl.
gar nicht eine!
Look at those two rookies. Pathetic. No wonder the Colonel ordered trailers.
Was meinst du, wie das noch Schweiß da drin macht?
Geil.
You're shitting me. The rest of the group wiped out?
The marshes are easy. Just look for the markers and flags and walk along them so you don't drown. A child couldn't. Yeah. Oh, the shrimps always gave you help. But come
So, genügt.
Ja, ich bin ein Pro.
squad.
Servus.
Hello, Artyom. Welcome to the armory. I hear you're a ranger now, huh? We must get a drink sometime to celebrate. For now, let's get you equipped. So, first things
Yep.
first. You're going to need a gas mask. You can't make a step
Thank
on the
you.
surface without a gas mask. It's
Yes.
been 20 years and the radiation's still strong enough in some places to boil water. There are hot spots down here in the metro, too. Don't forget filters for the mask. Sure, it looks cool enough even without these, but they definitely make it better for your health.
Ich glaube, wir gehen.
Now, medkits. Well, what can I say? Anything you need for survival in a stylish orange case. Here's your advance salary for this month. Remember, your pay is in military-grade rounds. Sure, you can use them as usual ammo for some hefty extra damage.
Sieht man seinen Penis ein bisschen durch.
Guns, attachments, regular ammo and equipment from merchants anywhere in the metro seems like a smarter move.
Weapon! What?
Haha, alright. Now to the good stuff, huh? Let's get you some guns. Take the ones you want and try them out on my range.
Take the ones you want.
Rangers usually carry up to 3 weapons, Artyom, and the choice of those is completely up to you.
Was ist da? Was? Hä?
Halt. Achso, nein. Halt.
Also Shambler, Revolving Shotgun, Close Range. Was nehme ich denn? Long Distance.
Extremely akkurat.
Oder einfach AK, ha?
Ja.
Oder was ist
Alter,
das?
das sind.
Good choice. The Kalash and the workhorse of the Ranger arsenal.
Ich weiß nicht, ob ich nicht noch eine kleine nehmen darf.
Warum?
Keine Ahnung. Nicht so. Ist nicht so schwer dran.
Carry a pistol. Sturdy, reliable, and
Einen Stall. Mhm. Ah, Silencer für Kalaschnikow, das geht damit gar nicht.
Nein, die muss schön werden.
alright, Artyom. Head over to my range and try out those guns. Come back if you want to try a different gun.
Dann kriege ich die dann.
Hey, Artyom, put on a show for me, huh? Try out the rest of the weapons you chose. Try shooting for the center of the regular dummy chest.
Boah.
Now shoot the armor down. Notice the difference? It's going to take more bullets to penetrate that armor. Look for sparks to know when you are shooting. Try a headshot. That's the critical hit. Notice the difference? Those are the basics. You can keep practicing if you want.
Okay.
Or head on up to Miller's briefing.
Was kostet noch mit die E-Dingensen? Rechts. Achso, das war
Die
der.
Dinger da wieder.
Damn sure.
Wo muss ich hin?
Let's call the group leaders in. There's going to be a big
Geht da durch, oder?
Schau auf die Map.
Ist das der... Ah ja, der Pfeil.
Das Licht da,
Ist
ja.
der Pfeil Norden oder ist der Pfeil, wo ich hin muss?
Wo du hin musst.
Okay.
Pay no attention. Open the gates.
Have you heard about Lesnitsky?
What are you talking about?
Check with the guards at the lab.
Jetzt geht's so, verdammt, das funktioniert nicht. Oh,
Ja, ich kann da nicht durch.
ja, noch nicht
All right,
wahrscheinlich.
let's go.